What's up, guys? Today I have a cleaning video for you. My YXZ is absolutely filthy, so I need to clean it up, so I figured I would try a new product. I bought this Slick Products off-road wash. It's a concentrated car wash solution. So I'm gonna try this out. It was 24 bucks for this 32-ounce container, which is pretty expensive. I'm hoping it does really good. This mud has been on here for a week and a half now, so it's caked on and dry, so we'll see if it actually does anything. I'm gonna use the foam cannon, see how well this stuff works in a foam cannon, see if it actually foams up pretty well. I really like using a foam cannon, so I'm hoping it does pretty good. So let's check it out. That's kind of a neat color. That foamed up really nicely. I didn't even use much of the concentrate. It did a really good job, covered a lot of area, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna leave it sit for a little while, let it soak in, and then we'll spray it off, see how it did. All right, the foam sat on there for long enough. Now I'm gonna spray it off. of daylight, so I brought the YXZ inside to see how well the slick off-road cleaner worked. It did a pretty good job. It was noticeably easier to get the dirt off after I let the cleaner sit on for a little while. And I really did like how the slick off-road cleaner really foams up and lays on really nice through the foam cannon. That's one thing I really like in a soap. But I mean, even in the dark, it did a really good job. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll kind of give you an update to see if there's any water spots. I'm guessing there is. This paint is really difficult to, you know, keep the water spots off, but I mean, I'm really happy with how clean it came. I mean, it was coated in mud, lots of dust everywhere. Looks really good. While I was waiting for the YXZ to dry, I washed my car with the slick off-road wash, and I mean, it got it so shiny. It did a really good job. I had a bunch of tar down at the bottom, and I mean, it was so easy to clean it off. I'm really happy with it. I mean, I didn't scrub or anything. It did a really good job. I mean, it's so shiny. I would definitely recommend it for washing cars for sure. It's hard to see in the dark, but man, made it a lot easier to clean. Yeah, I really like that. I'll definitely use that again on my car for sure. The YXZ is all the way dry now. You can see some water spotting. Well, it looks pretty good for the most part. You have to look pretty close to see the spots. I'm happy with it. There's still water spots on the paint a little bit, and the bottom plastic is still a little bit faded. That happens every time I wash the YXZ. It just kind of, it does that. It is what it is. Usually to get that looking nice and shined up, I use SC1 to clean it up. This time I bought some Slick Products Shine and Protectant. In one of my upcoming videos, I'm gonna do a comparison of the Slick Shine and Protectant and SC1, see which one I like better or if they're comparable. I've had a lot of people recommend to use this stuff, so I'm gonna see what it's all about. So that video is coming up soon. Also, there's another upcoming video you should keep an eye out for. I actually bought a new side-by-side. I'm keeping the YXZ, but I bought another one. My wife will probably drive this one. I'll drive the other one. It's another two-seater. We're both gonna take a kid, but I mean, it's not a brand new side-by-side. It's used, but it's gonna be an awesome project. I got a lot of stuff that I wanna do to it. It's gonna be really fun, so keep an eye out for those videos. If you like this video, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. Anyway, have a great day. See you next time.